Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide you the dangers of free VPNs. Are they safe or not? So this video is all about for OpenVPN and free VPN, whether you should use it or not. So first of all guys, I should tell you what is the VPN. So VPN stands for Virtual Private Network, and it creates the secure encrypted tunnel for your internal traffic and hiding your IP addresses and online activity from others. It works by routing your data through the remote server and run by the VPN server. Now the next question is, why do people use the VPN? So there are many reasons for using the VPN. So there could be the reason for using the VPN like online privacy, security, and accessing the geo restricted content means that the content which is blocked in your country can be accessed by the VPN. So that means that VPN also provides and hides your IP, the original IP, so that you can access the geo restricted content in your country. Also VPN is used for remote work, like if you are working from home, so you can also use the VPN and you can also enter into your networks. So that is the advantages of the VPN. But in this video I am talking about the free VPNs. There are many risks while using the free VPNs, like security risks, data logging risk, as well as the limitation of the internet speed and limited server locations installed for you. So the reason for avoiding the free VPN services on your Windows: security risks. First of all, free VPN can or may steal your data as well as sell your data to the providers or the companies. They can also store your logs, your original IP, and your identification, as well as your personal information can be sold to advisors as well. So I have gone through a various website where data breach had happened in the past. So as you can see here guys, I have gone through this website and found that total size of 1.207 TB, and these are the total numbers of files, number of people exposed, over 20 million based user owned numbers claimed by the VPN, and this is worldwide. So let me show you what the sensitive data they have stored. As you can see here, email addresses, password, account registration, this kind of data logs generated in the free VPN as well as the paid VPN. But there is a policy with the paid VPN and free VPN, whether they need to keep the data or not. So free VPN is always risky. As you can see here, this kind of data, client IDs, client IP, and when I go to another website here, 25, this report is on 2022, and this report is about 2020. So 25 million VPN, free VPN user recorded exposed. And another news is here, like from the cyber security, free VPN exposed 360 million records online while using the right VPN methods. As you can see here guys, so I have gone through with different websites and found the link. Whether if you ask, are free VPN safe? So as you can see here, Google is itself saying that most of free VPN are not safe because they often lack of a strong encryption, log and sell user data to the third party, and may contain the malware or adware and provide the slow performance. Instead of protecting your data, many free VPNs underline it and making them risky to sensitive data. You should opt for a reputable paid VPN services with a strict no log policy for reliable online security and privacy. So all the website and the techie and cyber news has suggested that free VPN is not for us secure, and you should not use it, and only go with a trusted website and trusted VPN service provider for you if you really want to keep your data secure and want to secure from the online hacking and other things. So I should suggest to not use the free VPN, instead go for paid VPN. Okay, so that is all for this video, guys. I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.